Autumn is a season for harvest when tree colors change, birds migrate, and farms are ready for cropping. There are 6 solar terms in autumn: start of autumn, end of heat, white dew, autumn equinox, cold dew, and frost's descent. Start of autumn indicates autumn's arrival. But it's not until the solar term of end of heat that the summer heat will eventually disperse. Starting with white dew, the cool autumn days officially begins. From autumn equinox to cold dew begins the golden time for harvest. It's also the time when people in the Yangtze River Basin and areas of the south get busy cropping late rice. Starting with frost's descent, the weather turns much colder and the first frost comes. People then have to find ways to keep frost from their plants and make preparations for winter. During the autumn harvest season, rice terraces form a 3-dimensional landscape in the mountainous areas. They round about like a shining golden belt, decorating the majestic mountains. The Longji terraces in Longji Town, Longsheng County, South China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, boast a history of more than 2,300 years, which is known as home of terraced fields of the world. Rice planting needs a large area of pounds. In southeast China, however, there are more hills and fewer plain terrains suitable for planting rice. Local farmers thus use layers of dams to conserve water. This is how terraces are formed, making it possible to grow rice at large scale in hilly areas. The ancient people used their wisdom to solve food problems. In 2018, the Chinese government set up the annual autumn equinox as a harvest festival for farmers. On the day, people living in the Longji mountain area will celebrate harvest in their centuries-old terraces with traditional dances and ritual activities. While China has a population of over 1.4 billion, it has a much smaller cultivated land per capita. Therefore, food problems have always been prioritized in the development of national economy and people's livelihood. Yuan Longping, a Chinese scientist known as the father of hybrid rice, has led his research team to study high-yielding rice for many years and has helped to solve the problem of food shortage in China. Whether it's a terraced fields inherited from ancient times or today's high-yielding rice, they manifest the survival wisdom of human beings. Then comes winter, a time for hibernation and restoring energy in human bodies.